Hey guys, my name is Alpha Designs and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you the top 5 secret features you probably didn't know about in Sony Vegas. So let's get right into it. Alright, what you want to do is that you want to go into Sony Vegas. I'm going to show you the first one. Now the first secret feature is to post event attributes. Now not many people know this, but say you have one event or FX that you want to apply to a certain object. So say I have a LUT which makes your videos look a little bit better, you know, with vlogs and things like that. Say I have a LUT on a bunch of people and I want to put that on something else as well. So here I have a video of a woman on the phone and I'm going to apply an effect. See, this copy doesn't have the LUT, so since I want to copy this to this but I don't want to do the whole process again, you want to do is right click and copy. I'll go back over here, right click and paste event attributes. This allows for some really fast editing, and so I do most of my lower third since I couldn't be bothered to redo the steps. But that is the first secret tip. The second one is to enable GPU rendering. Now to do that, what you want to do is go to options all the way down to preferences. Before you do anything, you want to do is hold down shift and right click, then left click. Now in internal, what you want to do is type in GPU. Now I've already done this, so it wouldn't be here, but you would see something on your screen and you're gonna see something called value and default. Now for the value, it's gonna be false. So what you want to do is just change it what you want to do is just change it to true in all caps, so you could render with your GPU. Now after doing that, to render with your GPU, what you need to do is go here, click on the little arrow with the file, and you want to do is just go to the preset you always use. I actually have a custom one that I use for all my videos, high speed rendering quality options, and in the encode mode just put render using GPU available. I'm using a custom rendering mode under the Sony AVC MVC. So what you want to do is click on customize template and change to using render using GPU if available. And if you want to see if your GPU could render using Sony Vegas, just click on check GPU. And it says that OpenCL is available, which is it's for AMD cards technically. Now all you want to do is just click render and it's going to render with your GPU. Depending on what type of GPU you do have, it can increase render times or it can, you know, stop your computer from slowing down since it's not using the CPU. Alright, now the next one is actually one I found out yesterday, and it's made my editing way much easier. You know, it stops a lot of clutter from building up in my computer all the time. Now what you want to do is go to a place where you normally have your PSDs, like this one. What you can actually do is that you can import PSDs, and this is really helpful because that means you don't need to export your images. You have it right here, and you know, it's really useful and dandy. And if you were to go into Photoshop and say I was to edit this, put my logo somewhere else, like to the top left, and I was to save it in Photoshop, Sony Vegas would update it so it would appear over there, and that's actually very useful. Alright, next is speed pasting. Now I have my wallpaper here, but I want to paste it a lot. Now what you want to do is copy like we did and hold down Ctrl and B. When you do that, it's gonna ask you how many times you want you to repeat it. So just click type in a number, how much times you want it to paste it, and click end to end, and then click OK. Now after clicking on OK, you're gonna see a ton of files, and this is really helpful because so you need to paste an image a couple of times. You know, this can help you out with, instead of just manually pasting all of them in. That is a pain. Now say I want to move to two different images on two different layers at the same time. Now there's something called the parent motion that allows one layer to be the parent of another layer, and that is really helpful when you're doing really complex, you know, videos. So say I have this version of my wallpaper, and I'm gonna make it small. See, I'm gonna put it up there, right? Then I have another version of my wallpaper, except it's on the opposite side. So it's on the left side. And you want to move them at the same time. Now, to use parent motion, which is really helpful, what you need to do is just click on this little make compositing child. Just click on that, and you're gonna see that this is now the parent of this. Now what you want to do is just click on the parent motion, and there you go. You can now move both of your images at the same time. I use this all the time. It's really helpful and dandy. But anyway, thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my Behance in the description below, and don't forget to go to my Discord server for more updates. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.
I'm trying to see the landscapes, bathing like an ape in crystal clear tropical lakes, secret handshakes, moving presidential and elections get the mandate. Why you always talking about the bread the next man makes? I'm here to give you some game, respect is the same. They screw you all over for pieces of fame. All my life I've been in this lane, bars flowing my veins, my weight is up cause I'm trying to see gains.